I'm currently in North Vietnam travelling down the Ho Chi Minh Trail. Today, Thanh took me to a little craft village called Ha Tong. It's a tiny village known for making traditional conical hats by hand. They start off by uncurling the dried young palm leaves. She then irons the leaves over and over to cook them, making them smooth and flexible and easy to sew. All the females in the family learn this craft. They start when they are around 7 years old. Using this wooden frame, they make up 16 bamboo ribs and then fit them into slots. Each rib is cut to size and the ends bound together. It's important that the higher the rib, the finer the thickness so as not to show on the finished hat. The lady who showed me how the hats were made today has been doing this for the last 43 years. Her proficiency certainly shows. The funniest thing about visiting these villages is how everyone knows when I am here and come to see this Australian lady travelling through their village. But they are so shy when I point the camera at them. This is where her skills really show. With a few precision cuts with the scissors, she shapes the leaves to size and attaches them to the frame. The skills of these women is judged by the regularity of the leaves arranged around the hat. I can imagine what shape they would be in if I tried this. What I didn't know was that there are two separate layers of leaves. The coarser leaves form the inner layer, while the smoother and shiny leaves form the outer layer. Once the two layers are in place, she then hand stitches it, fastening the leaves to the 16 inner bamboo ribs. It takes her around 3 hours just to stitch each hat. She makes around 2 to 3 hats per day and receives $1 for each hat. Consequently, this is a part-time job which she does whilst not working in the fields.